In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if your iPhone screen not responding to touches or it's some bugging and glitching with your screen. So that is quite simple and easy to solve that problem, and let's begin. The first way you can try is to open up your settings, then here scroll down for a bit and get into General. Then tap Add Software Update, and here just check if you got new software update. Here, as you can see, I got one, so to solve that problem, all I have to do is hit to install now and wait until this software update is downloaded and installed. New software updates contains hotfixes, and by updating your software to the latest version, you probably may fix all your iPhone problems. If for some reason that doesn't help, all you have to do is go back into General, here scroll down for a bit and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on Reset, and here you can tap on Reset All Settings. It reset all your device settings to factory default, and that may fix your problem. If it doesn't help, you can hop out of here and then just soft reset your device. To do that, just press at the same time power and volume up button, hold them for some couple of seconds, and it comes up that screen. And now here just move your slider to the very right position, then wait for up to 30 seconds and then hold down power button again until Apple logo comes up, and then just wait until your device turned on. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.